Hey guys, welcome to Octavia Beauty, and I am Octavia. On today's video, we are about to be doing my very first cook with me. I'm about to sear you some pork chops, cook you some rice and some broccoli. And here's the delicious plate of food right here. It is so delicious. It's so super amazing. So yeah, make sure you keep on watching. Now, let's get into a cook with me. Yeah. Okay guys, what I have here is some pork chops, and I am about to lightly put a little bit of vegetable oil over them. We are going to pan sear these, so we are going to season them. Okay, so now I'm going to start placing in some seasoning. I'm going to start with some Lawry's. Put some rosemary. Some thyme. Onion powder. And we got to stir it up because we got to make sure everybody gets some on it. Move to the Italian. Some everything but the salt. Paprika. Just a little crushed red peppers. We can throw in a couple of bay leaves. Put that on there. Okay. And I gotta get my garlic powder. Some garlic. And black pepper. So before I start preparing the rice cooker, I'm gonna put a little vegetable oil in here and be heating it while we get the rice cooker prepared. I'm gonna put this on medium and let this be getting ready. Okay, so then now we're gonna come over here to the rice cooker and just make sure we get it ready. Okay, so I have here just some regular, I like to use jasmine rice, but we have this one, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to rinse off about 2 cups, and we are going to put this in the rice cooker. Now I'm going to go over to the sink and rinse my rice. And I dump this in here, and then I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of water. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some butter. Throw in a few seasonings, some salt, pepper, some garlic, some Italian. You can season to your taste. If you don't put in enough, you can always add it in after you taste your rice. Okay. Then I like to sit the little vegetable steamer here on top, and we're gonna put some broccoli and some butter in there. It's not a lot of broccoli, but it should be enough. So that can steam while the rice cooks. And I like to add a little butter to my broccoli, and also a little salt, pepper. So that's gonna also cook down into the rice. Okay, so you're gonna I picked this up from Walmart if you guys are interested in it. I'm sure they're gonna be on sale for Black Friday, so I'm gonna go power. I'm gonna hit flash rice. That means it's gonna cook it really fast, which is right here. And you're gonna see this, and then now we're gonna move over here and we're gonna cook up our pork chops. So the oil is hot and the pork chops are seasoned. And we just throw them in the pan.
Can you do that my time to leave?
Sure, Quay. What time are you leaving?
4.
What time is it now?
3 to 8.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm gonna turn this up a little. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and be putting away some of my seasonings and some of all the items that I took out, so that way when I'm done I don't have a ton of cleanup. I'm lining this bowl with some paper towel so it can catch any of the excess oil. And you can see that nice golden brown. And we are going to place our last one in, and the rice is still cooking. Okay, so the rice cooker is on 0, so the rice and the broccoli should be done, and we're gonna open it up and you guys are gonna see a lot of steam. Look at that, look at that. The broccoli looks delicious. So the broccoli is done and the rice is done. I don't normally do this with my hand. I don't know what I use. Lord, a pot holder, something, Jesus, a towel. Because it's so hot. And then inside you can see where some of the broccoli got into the rice. But the rice also looks very delicious. So, you know, let's fix us a plate and take a bite. Take us a couple of pieces of the broccoli. You can steam any vegetable, not just broccoli. I just typically like a little broccoli with my rice. Okay, now let's get our meat. It smells so delicious. That broccoli smells so amazing. And we're gonna fix us a glass of wine and take a bite. So we're gonna fix us a nice glass of Barefoot Pinot Grigio. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we're gonna take a bite. Very, very perfect. That was a perfect piece of pork chop. This tastes delicious. The rice is good. The broccoli is delicious. The wine is good. You guys have got to make this for yourselves at home. I'm gonna eat my delicious food, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Thank you for joining me, and I appreciate it. Make sure you leave me some likes and some comments and hit the subscribe button.